How many meters are in 1 kilometer? (1,000). Which large mammal has the longest lifespan? Bowhead whale. Which color is the least common on national flags? Purple. Which direction does the sun set? West. Australia belongs to which continent? Oceania. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius? (0°C). Which planet is closest to the sun? Mercury. How many minutes are in 2 hours? (120). Which vitamin is important for healthy eyes? Vitamin A. What is a good habit for making a secure password? Mixing letters and numbers. Which country gifted the famous panda bears to the US? China. Which ocean animal is known for its loud singing? Humphead whale. Which country is famous for its fjords and Vikings? Norway. What is the capital city of Canada? Ottawa. Which planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. What is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Which gas makes up most of the air we breathe? Nitrogen. Which country is home to the Great Wall? China. Which creature builds large, complex coral reefs? Coral polyp. Which food is a healthy source of omega-3 fats? Fish. What is the main ingredient in the bread called tortilla? Corn or wheat flour? What is the medical term for high blood sugar? Hyperglycemia. Which planet has a very visible ring system? Saturn. What is the plural form of mouse? Mice. Which country is the world's most populous? India. Which animal is famous for its black and white stripes? Zebra. How many stars are on the flag of the United States? "50." Which famous structure is located in Paris, France? The Eiffel Tower. What is the currency of Japan? Yen. Which gas do humans need to breathe to live? Oxygen. What major natural disaster happened in San Francisco in 1906? Earthquake. What is the biggest organ that covers the outside of the human body? Skin. Which country is the largest by total land area? Russia. Which part of the eye helps focus the image? Lens. In which country is the Sahara Desert mainly located? Algeria. What does the acronym CPU stand for in computers? Central processing unit. What is the capital city of Thailand? Bangkok. Which type of tree is famous for producing maple syrup? Maple tree. Which part of the body pumps blood? Heart. Which planet has a great storm called the Great Red Spot? Jupiter. What is the coldest planet in the solar system? Uranus. Which mineral makes bones and teeth strong? Calcium. What is the deepest point in the world's oceans? Mariana Trench. In which country is Mount Kilimanjaro located? Tanzania. What is the official language of Argentina? Spanish. Which large sea creature is the largest animal on Earth? Blue whale. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Saturn. What is 4 multiplied by 9? "36. What is the study of the stars and planets called? Astronomy. What is the name of the ocean current that brings warm water to Europe? Gulf Stream.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.